Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. My major Nautika Department level 1. I'm from AMI AIPI Makassar. Today I want to explain about ferry ship. Ferry is a boat or a ship is used to take a people, vehicle or goods across large body of water such as sea, lakes and rivers. In many places around the world, ferries are very important for public transport. Some of these places can only reach by ferry because they have no roads or railways with bridges or tunnels that join them to nearby places. Nor do they have any locations at which to land airplanes, whether it is an airport or only an airfield. The word ferry can also mean to take someone or something by ferry. So that's about the ferry ship. Thank you.